Achieving financial freedom through passive income is more accessible than ever. Here are 5 top strategies to build wealth without constant effort. 1. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is a time-tested way to earn passive income. By purchasing shares in established companies that pay dividends, you receive payouts regularly, usually quarterly. Companies like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson have long histories of paying dividends, which can provide steady income. Reinvesting dividends can amplify growth, thanks to compound interest. Dividend stocks offer a hands-off income source for investors aiming to earn without frequent trading. 2. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs offer an easy way to earn from real estate without direct property management. A REIT is a company that owns or finances real estate. They often own properties like shopping centers, offices, and apartment buildings, and are legally required to distribute most of their earnings as dividends. By purchasing shares in a REIT, you gain exposure to real estate markets and receive income from rent collections or mortgage interest. Investing in REITs allows for real estate income diversification without the hassle of being a landlord. 3. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending. P2P lending platforms like Lending Club and Prosper let you lend money directly to borrowers who repay you with interest. This system bypasses traditional banks, allowing for higher returns on small loans. You can spread your investment across multiple loans to reduce risk, which is especially useful as some borrowers may default. P2P lending offers a unique, hands-off way to generate passive income from interest on loans. As borrowers make monthly payments, your account grows with minimal ongoing involvement. 4. Digital products. Creating digital products like e-books, online courses, or templates is a powerful way to build passive income. Once you've made the product, it can sell repeatedly without additional effort. For instance, if you have a skill or area of expertise, consider creating an online course on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Digital products require upfront time but can yield income long after. By tapping into evergreen topics, your content can continue to attract buyers. Each sale represents revenue earned from work done once, making digital products ideal for generating passive income. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning commissions on sales through your referral links. If you have a blog, website, or social media following, affiliate marketing can be an effective way to monetize your content. Many companies offer affiliate programs, with Amazon Associates being one of the most popular. By recommending products you believe in, you add value for your audience and earn income for each sale made through your links. This scalable income source grows with your audience and requires minimal upkeep once links are posted. Building passive income streams can lead to financial independence, helping you earn while you sleep. Whether you prefer the stability of dividend stocks and REITs or the scalability of digital products and affiliate marketing, each strategy provides opportunities to diversify and grow your income.